The weekly code quiz. Today we will look at absolute positioning. When the position property of an element is set to absolute, what happens? It means an element is positioned relative to the nearest position ancestor, and if it has no position ancestors, it will position relative to the document body. What do we mean by positioned ancestor? When an ancestor element is positioned, it means the ancestor has a position other than static. Does an element with absolute positioning move with page scrolling? Yes, an element with absolute positioning will move with page scrolling. Here is the HTML code for section 2 in our demonstration. We see that it would be the second circle element. Here is the CSS. So in our example, we are looking at a circle element with a red color. This image shows our absolutely positioned element was initially hidden behind another element. Even though this element is supposed to be in section 2, you can see it appears to be floating on top of section 1 and the navigation. Why is this? It is because it has been taken out of normal flow. Because its positioning is absolute and it has no position ancestor, it is positioning itself relative to the body of the page. And because the top and left are set to 100 pixels, it is offset from the top and left side of the browser window. Note, any margin will be added to the amount of offset. The fixed element has the same offset, and this is why they overlap. As the page is scrolled, the absolutely positioned element scrolls with the page while the fixed element travels. This is why it is revealed as the page is scrolled. When setting the position of an element to absolute, there are accessibility concerns. This is because these elements may obscure other content, especially if a user is zooming in to affect the text size. Even without zooming in, we see that our element obscures our section 1 heading, so this would be a problem for accessibility. Presented by Designers Learn Code.